Hello everyone, we are from International Class Electrical Engineering from Nusa Putra University.
Hi everybody, in this video we will make a comparison between the multimeter and the multimeter that we buy it at the store. The one on the left is a dye multimeter I made, and the one on the right is a store-bought multimeter. All it takes is a multimeter, probe leads and battery.
Here we will do the voltage measurement first. And we start from DIY multimeter. First, let's check whether the multimeter is on or not. And we can see the needle on the multimeter is moving.
Actually, this multimeter is used to measure AC current, but in this experiment, we will measure DC current because we are worried that if we measure AC current, the multimeter be damaged. Okay, let's see how the result of this multimeter. We can see the needle on the DIY multimeter show an overload to the right. We can conclude that this ammeter cannot measure DC current because the voltage supplied by the battery exceeds the measuring capacity of this ammeter. Next, we will measure using the multimeter that we bought at the store. First, let's check whether the multimeter is on or not using the buzzer. If we can hear the sound, then the multimeter is ready to use. Okay, we proceed to measure the DC current as we see that the pointer is moving.
This multimeter is compatible with the battery because it shows 1.5 voltage. Let's tidy it up again.
Okay, we can conclude that in terms of price, it is more affordable if we can make our own analog ammeter compared to buying from a store. But in terms of effectiveness, we can conclude that it is better to buy an analog ammeter in a store because apart from the function, it is superior.
Next, we will do a comparison using the diff and star digital multimeter. Here we will do a comparison between diff digital multimeter and digital multimeter in a shop.
First, we will take measurement using a digital multimeter that we bought at the store. We can see that we are using a power supply with an output voltage at 9 volts, which we will try with an ammeter. Don't forget to include the connecting. Then we turn the switch selector from up to the 20 DC range. We connect the negative one, the power supply with the negative on multimeter black, and the positive on the power supply with the positive multimeter red. Then we can immediately see the measurement result on the multimeter display. Thank you.
When finished, we turn off the digital multimeter again from the store and turn on the DIY digital multimeter. Next step is we will measuring using a DIY multimeter. The same as a shop digital multimeter, here we will measure the power supply. We can see that DIY digital multimeter measurement with a digital in-store have the same measurement result. The conclusion is that DIY and shop digital multimeters have their own drawbacks, but different efficiency.
Okay, in this video I will show to you all how to measure the ampere using the DIY digital multimeter. Okay, we can see from the power supply we put we can see the value from the power supply, and the DIY multimeter have 10 have a different